This is code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals Express course. I'm on lesson 5, collecting treasure with Laurel, puzzle 6. Let's see. Help me collect each bit of treasure. These blocks are in the wrong order. Can you fix them? Win, run, move forward. They're in the wrong order. Well, let's see what they do right now. Oh, I have collect too early. Oh, okay. So I move forward 2. Now, and it's good to run code a lot. I'm gonna go right, I think. What if I move forward and then, let's hit reset. I'm gonna step through, right? So I can see each individual block work. Forward, I think I want to collect there, and then forward and collect. Let's give that a shot. Remember, code's gonna run in order, always, always, always. It only does what you tell it to. Woohoo! So if you got stuck on that, I definitely recommend using this step key to just see how your code works and do it in order and kind of watch the process of it run through it. Awesome. Let's keep going.